Okay. Thank you, Speedball, for that little morale boost. Saint Dragon. Hardware gets used for unintended purpose. I think it's so cool. Still. The way people figured things out and made it work. So many things are done with the hardware today that they couldn't even imagine back then. But is it just that people had more time to experiment, or is it that modern hardware showed them certain instructions or ideas that they tried to bring back on the 68X? What is the path they took, basically? Amiga and ST, but Chalico, so it's not bad. Okay, let me check if we need blank plus. No, we don't. Okay. The game has auto fire with scroll reset, which is interesting. I like the way that the body is segmented. That's kind of cool. Okay, we have a bit of slowdowns. That's okay. Oh, nice. So there is power-ups. Okay, we got speed, also important. Oh, that reminded me very much of Shadow of the Beast in one way or another. Oh, that was close. He was hiding in the bushes. You little monkeys. Oh, Panthera. You gotta watch out for those boys. But with a triple shot. Ah, yeah, we got him, that's fine. But even more speed? I'm not sure. Ah, we didn't get him this time. I'm pretty sure they're worth a lot of points. Come on, come on. Now I'm gonna work on you. Okay, forget it. Guess I need to be more ballsy for them. Okay, interesting. We lost our flames and now we get bouncy balls. You take them. Luigi. The One Piece. Hey Luigi, thank you so much. Dude, hey, check out our channel point redemptions. There's gonna be 2 in there that you wanna try right now. I remade all the channel point redemptions, so you wanna try them out. Luigi, thank you so much for the sub. Dude, it's been 13 months now. That's the One Piece indeed. Thank you so much, dude. Excited for Project L, I guess? Excited for Project L? Two. Oh, we got a quad now. The frames tell me that is true. That's a quad indeed, my friend. Oh, we had the chance between P and laser. I guess laser packs more punch. You have 30k. Oh, you can make everything happen with that. Oh, the bull. The bull. That has jetpack feet. That is very legit. Come on, jetpack bull. Yeah, we dodged that. No problem. Sorry, jetpack bull. Your head is my communion. He keeps going. Oh, what is this? Aerosol stars. Come on, come back here. That's where the party's happening. Yeah, shoot your lasers. It's all good. Parasol stars, volcano boss. Let's go. Wow. Already 333k. Scoring system is rather nice and comforting in this game. And I'm going to read all that stuff in a bit in the chat, all the tech talk and answers to my hardware questions, because I'm really interested and I neither want to compromise the value you put in chat nor this run, because I'm mostly doing one-take runs here. And we lost our speed. That is not fair. I want my speed back. Can we do that, game? Please? Yes. Also interesting how the trend of shmups mid-80s till early 90s was second level must be a closed space, a cave of some sort or whatever. It is a trend. You cannot deny that fact. Okay, we got that F. Let's check that F out. Ah, it's a fire. Ah. Is it R-type? No, we keep our items at least. Okay. But the question is, we're gonna die to this again probably. What is the position we need to take to avoid these? Is there a safe spot on the screen? But the flames do help a lot. So they are the way to go. So first snake. Another floater. Ceiling drop. Next wave. Another floater. Okay. Ah! The moment you get the fire pickup, things turn south. Okay. But where's the safe spot? Where is the safe spot? I'm delighted to figure that out. So we get ball plus snake, come on. Okay, there's a bit of RNG. That's fair. Next snake. One more floater, then wave. Yes. Next snake. Two more floaters, next wave. Yes. Floater. And now fire plugin. Okay, so now. Oh, okay. But that was the way to go. Oh, that's a close one then. Okay, but we figured it out. I think we figured it out. Now let's see if we can make it a thing. Imagine there was a bomb power-up. That would save us some time. That game is mighty cool. Chiro wasn't overselling it. That I can attest to. It's one of these games where I'm not sad about the fact that they didn't use the Paula in a creative way. Okay, let's get into this. Okay, now... Oh, there's RNG behind it. There's RNG behind it. That's fair. Now we're getting speed, okay. Also, you see, now we get them behind us as well. So, as we don't know how often these will occur, let's get rid of them as clear as possible. Okay, we got some invul, that's interesting. The game would... Oh! There was a reason to that, I guess. There still is. We got him. Oh, those rockets were unexpected. Game starts easy and gets really intense rather quick. Too bad. Of course, the whole level again. I'm afraid we're not gonna see the boss of level 2. I'm not good at RM type shmups. I am if I practice them. Oh, wait. Let's save this for as long as possible, and there we go. We're gonna get... Okay, we had a checkpoint at least, so that's cool. Okay, we need that now. Let's go ham. Okay, something's happening soon again. Yeah, now they're coming from below. We're getting another wave of these mischievous boys, or are we good for now? Doesn't look like it. Okay, if it gives us the laser, it always feels like a boss is approaching. That's it. 441k, 600. I definitely could have done better, and I definitely want to revisit this game. This was fun. So, notation, very fun. Let me input my initials real quick. That's what we need for our evidence. I wasn't keeping up I wasn't keeping up.